So, guys, let's talk about JavaScript data types, and we have a lot of data types in JavaScript. So, what do I mean by data types? These are the types of data JavaScript takes from us, and let me say they are unique characteristics of the data JavaScript takes. Sometimes it might be hard defining some of those things. So we'll be looking at the boolean, the number, the string, and the string. That's the major one. So let's look at the boolean. The boolean. So the boolean in JavaScript is the data that always that takes out that input and output just to the two things. Either it's that it is true or false. So how do we get to know the data type that a particular variable is using? Let me show us an example. Say um let truth equals to false. So all I just need to do is come to console.log. There is a keyword called type of. If I say type of truth, if I save this, if I go to my browser and I refresh, you will see boolean. That shows that particular data type is boolean. If I come in here, we have another one we call number. Number. How does number work? Number takes either the regular int or decimal floating numbers. For instance, if I say let age be equals to 30, let nums be equals to 70.23. Now, if I say console.log age, type of age. Now, coming here, I say console.log type of nums. Let's save this. Let's go to our browser, refresh. You can see both are numbers. So that's data type that we'll call number. Let me add one. None. So at what state do we get this? Okay, for instance, let me say if I say console.log 0 divided by 4. Let's see what we get. 0. So none is more or less like 0 when it's not possible, when it's more or less like impossible. But instead of 0 divided by 4, let me just say let me just put underscore divided by 4. That will make you understand it better. It's saying unquoted underscore is not defined, so it's same as getting let me say 0 is same as getting none when division seems to be impossible. I think 0 divided by 0. I'm just trying to look for a variable that will allow us to be able to get it. Can you see none? That is, it's not going to work. This is impossible. This is going to give us like something infinity. 0 divided by 0. Where are we going to? At 0, it's continue to be 0 and 0 and 0 and 0, and that's all. So we have one. We have another data type we refer to as a string. String. So string are literally text in quotes. If I say, I can say, okay, let name equals to Adiola, and I can say under let first name equals to Ola. So if I save this, if I come here and I say and I console.log and I put name, type of name, let me say console.log type of first name. If I save this, if I come to our browser and I refresh, they are both string. Either it is with single quotes or with double quote. They are all string. So that's all about data type in JavaScript. So like I said, I don't want our videos to get too long so that we could just grab and be able to like move on. So let's move on.